Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of GreenAddress, your go-to Bitcoin wallet for secure and user-friendly cryptocurrency management. In this video, we'll explore the key features of GreenAddress and guide you through its platform step by step. But first, a quick message from our sponsor. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Now, let's dive into GreenAddress. GreenAddress offers a robust, multi-signature Bitcoin wallet that prioritizes security and privacy. Upon visiting the website, you'll notice a clean interface, making it easy to navigate whether you're a beginner or an experienced user. The wallet incorporates two-factor authentication, giving you an extra layer of security for your transactions. It also supports instant confirmation of payments, which is perfect for users needing quick and reliable crypto transactions. One standout feature of GreenAddress is its multi-platform compatibility. You can use it on desktop, mobile, or even via browser extensions. This versatility ensures you can access your funds wherever and whenever you need them. The wallet also supports deterministic wallets, meaning your funds are backed up through a simple mnemonic phrase. As you set up your wallet, you'll be guided through securing your account with multiple authentication steps. GreenAddress doesn't hold your keys, ensuring you maintain full control of your funds. For active users, GreenAddress supports unlock time transactions, a feature that can be especially useful for recurring payments or future-dated transactions. The platform also emphasizes privacy by not linking your transactions to your identity, making it a preferred choice for privacy-focused Bitcoin users. To start, visit GreenAddress, create an account, and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your wallet. Use the mnemonic phrase to secure your backup. Once set up, you can deposit Bitcoin, view your transaction history, and manage your funds with ease. GreenAddress even allows you to customize spending limits, adding another layer of control over your account. Sign up using the link in the description to get a bonus for new users. Don't miss the opportunity to enhance your Bitcoin experience with GreenAddress. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto insights and tutorials.